So I'm outside right now. It's going to rain a bit, but I'm okay right now.
Yeah, we are.
So
And my name's Billy.
I have a tornado app that you can
tell them what this thing is.
set off the tornado sound, like a tornado watch or like tornado warning. I have it on my phone right now. It's on the app. Oops. So it's on the app right now.
And guys, you want to look at our trash can?
Now.
Carly, can we tell them what the colors of the chalk are?
So the colors of the chalk is
Purple, yellow,
so we have
green, something.
mint, purple, yellow, green, mint, green, blue. That's all the colors we have for today. Outside last night.
Carly, tell them it's washable.
And this chalk is washable. I think when it rains, it might get chalk gone. But we do have a space right here that's way to the door. It's way to the door. Alright. And the rain might cannot get the chalk. That's right there. Let me show you guys. And it's right there.
Cousin, have you seen Daddy's gold car before?
They can't see the license plate. So here it is. It's way right behind.
Cousin, Daddy does have a license plate.
So I cannot show the license plate though. They're gonna find us. So that's why I don't want to show the license plate. So we were just playing shooting a minute ago. Same for
This is a license plate to the kids.
What places tag a minute ago, a couple of minutes ago. So we had a yard sale, and that's when I did not make a video. So I never done a video before, but now I have, because I just now first started. I think I got a lot of videos, like 40, 50 something right now. I still got 5 subscribers. I need you guys to subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification bell. And the big thumbs up for today's video. It's getting a little stormy, you guys. You can see the dark clouds over there. I'm going to show you guys. So
Is it going to rain in a minute?
So those clouds over there are coming towards us.
It's raining now.
So it's going to rain in a bit.
Daddy!
No, I was doing this. I didn't got him in the video.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Alright, so
Excuse me.
it's getting pretty bad over here. I can show you guys again. It is getting pretty bad over there.
Do the kids know we have a basketball goal?
Yeah.
Tell them again.
So here's our basketball goal right here. Right there. Has a bunch of water.
Are you going to tell them there's water in it?
So
See
my first time riding llama by myself, I could reach the pedals, but not much. I was going slow. The llama would keep on stopping because I was not on the seat very good. It kept trying to go off 2 times because I was not on the seat. I think more times when
Listen. C'est bonjour.
Hi.
C'est bonjour.
Alright. So it's getting a little dark. The storm might start soon. It's getting pretty dark outside. So you can't see the sky right now. It's getting a little worse. So yes. Okay. That's weird. Alright, so
Cousin, I can show you some more talking things. I know talking things.
Alright, so the storm is getting cloudy. Whoa. I think we just see a thundercloud. It looks like it's going down. I don't know. So when it gets dark, the go-kart turns into ugly. It turns ugly because it's getting dark. And after it's not dark, it's perfect. I don't know why driveway's getting silly. And guys, happy Easter, man. Everybody.
Don't say man.
So it is Easter. We might do it in the house today.
Yeah, guys, it's Easter.
But a little later.
And we have a lot of candy.
We do have a lot of candy for Easter.
And we got bubbles.
Bubbles.
And some chocolate bunnies.
Yes, we do.
And some twigs have caffeine.
Yeah, Bentley was eating a little caffeine yesterday. No, last night. And we did not even know until we told Mom and Daddy.
We love candy so much.
Yeah, the best thing about candy is we don't get to eat candy that much.
Yeah, we love candy.
Stop.
Sorry, okay.
Really? It has got more stormy.
A little more.
Got more stormy. Clouds are coming this way towards us.
Listen, you cannot get that house over there. You have a house over there.
I know.
Not that house.
Can
You see yourself?
Yeah? Why?
Can you see your head?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Alright, I'm going to end today's vlog here. Subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up for today's video.
That was 8 minutes.
I'll see you guys probably later or tomorrow or tonight.
Can I pause it? No, I can't.
Alright. Peace.